Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today we're comparing Dollar Tree and Walmart back to school deals. Even if you're not going back to school, you don't want to miss these. I was actually a teacher for 9 years. When I'm talking the best pens, the best school supplies, the highest quality, plus a totally free printable so you never overpay for anything. Let's hit it. Here's what you can get at Walmart that you really can't get anywhere else for this price: the dorm section and back to school. These organizing containers are $2.98 each. I really like how they're rectangular, they can fit a lot, and they have this little drop lip in the front as well as handles. Another fabulous deal at Walmart are the towels, especially when they're on rollback. I really like to get bright white towels, change them out every couple of years, and at this price point, it's awesome. There's lots of rollbacks, especially on the home edit line, which recently transitioned over to Walmart. I've done an entire review on their products. Look how big these are. Amazing for closets, perfect for having that great fold for your jeans or shirts. The Journal of Environmental Psychology posted a study that having excess clutter, especially in your closet, leads to extra stress and anxiety. So a closet is a great spot to start, especially if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I mean, gosh, you have to look at it every single day, right? I would recommend the larger storage totes. This is a great time of year to buy them. If you're looking for a great deal, you can get them for under $10. I love when I see beautiful things. I cannot get over how high-end these tumbler sets look. They're just $6.94. You know me, it's my brand color. We're getting a little crazy. August is the best clearance, in my opinion, at Walmart. This gorgeous tumbler is on clearance. Also, giant thermos. This Mainstays closet organizer with drawers is just $21, down from $38.94. Great score. Don't forget to double check on the Walmart app because the clearance is different in every single store. This even may be cheaper in neighboring stores. Oh, look at all the Cricut stuff on clearance. Check out these really quality expandable pocket folders. These range between $10 and $12. This is a fabulous back to school deal. We actually keep one of these on the side of our fridge all year long. My dude's teacher Kathryn has emerged. The best brand of pens, in my opinion, is Papermate. I really love that these don't bleed through paper and the felt chip is awesome. I used to use these to grade all of my papers. They're so cute in planners. Even the smaller packs of Papermate pens are some of my favorite, and right now at Walmart, they're all on rollback. Now, if you're in Dollar Tree and want to buy the best pen, here is the best one. When you're in Dollar Tree, the pen that you want is the Ink brand. These are highly rated. I'd stay away from the larger packs. I'm in Dollar Tree, and here are the things you really want to look for: the organization products. They have these really amazing drawer organizers. This is probably an eighth the price you're going to find it at Walmart. I use these all over my house. The paper bins are great here too. I also really like the colors this year. They've got lots of new themes with peaches and avocados and rainbows. And when it comes to pencil pouches, I didn't used to like the Dollar Tree, but now I really do. What does this remind you of though? I mean, I don't think I'd go with the peaches, but I get why some people might like them. And I like how all of these are in new and fun colors this year. Fun fact, you can write on these with chalk pens. It looks great. They have these magnetic locker holders. That's a fail. These scissors are $2.24 at Walmart and just $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Only get the Westcott brand. Don't buy the off-brand. Dollar Tree sells packs of Post-it notes, so keep your eyes peeled. They're actually a little cheaper than at Walmart, so you can put those back there. And did you know the pencil sharpeners from Dollar Tree are 5 out of 5 stars? Check out what a great job this did. All of the little poppets here too. I use these for all sorts of things. They're not just for your phone. Here's where the Dollar Tree has got Walmart beat. All of these things are at least $10 at Walmart. You've got these little fun dry erase boards. You've got chalkboards. All of the desk organizing stuff. It is a far better deal. I recently showed how to make a command center using all Dollar Tree products for just $13. I definitely recommend the pegboard system from Dollar Tree over what you're going to find at Walmart. It's cheaper and better. And don't go anywhere. We're heading back to Walmart. Tell me which of these tricks you knew. Pencils. If you've got an emerging writer or a new writer, promise me, you're not going to try to save money and get cheaper pencils or the cute glittery ones. You want ones that last, sharpen well, and are great for your child to use. Ticonderoga is my favorite pencil. They literally call it the world's best pencil for a reason. Ask any teacher. For composition notebooks, here is the 411. You want to get the ones without patterns on them from Walmart. They range from 50 to 67 cents. And at Dollar Tree, if you want some of the cuter patterns, you definitely want to check it out because those are just $1.25 and they're over $2 at Walmart. Don't buy this, a dictionary. You have Google. Look at this. See, this is my weird, crazy brain that would really enjoy this. It might be distracting though. This is controversial. I do not recommend getting your backpacks from Walmart, especially because so many of them have rounded tops. Your children's folders are going to get bent over. I'm going to link the best backpack right here down below that we always buy for our kids. It's got a square top to keep all of their school supplies protected. You want to know my Walmart trick? The front of the store, especially this time of year, is crazy with all the back to school supplies. I come to the back. It's all the same stuff. There's nobody here. Sometimes there's even more inventory and it's the same price. You actually can scan your phone with a QR code. It hooks up to your school and Walmart. So you can actually see your school supply list and what the deals are at Walmart. So you're making sure you're getting the best deal. Check it out with this video. So if there's better deals at Dollar Tree, you can get it there too. I am shocked. Tape is a better deal at the Dollar Tree. Here you get 6 rolls for $13. That's about $2 a roll. Dollar Tree is $1.25. Trust me on this one. You want high quality binders that are gonna last you all year. My favorite brand is called Exceed. The binder clip is not on the spine, it's on the side. It's flat and then rounded. This holds your paper easily so it's not gonna get stuck. And also the close is really, really good. Here's the hard truth. Few people are actually planner people. Some people are and really enjoy that. For me, I realized I wasn't. I have one journal and it's my commonplace planner. This is where I plan out everything. I write down all of my notes. It's all in one spot. And then we have a giant family calendar that's separated out by person. It's compartmentalized. If you're interested in my calendar, I do sell them on my website. I'll be sure to link them down below. I want this. Look at it. The Battery Daddy Smart Storage System. Can I get this? Don't forget to download my printable for comparing Walmart and Dollar Tree deals. It is totally free. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I love you guys. Walmart radio. It's very hard to film over that. You guys, it's copper.